Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Sakila Cindy Nalapa and you can call me Cindy. Today I will present the result of my analysis on intercultural analysis from the film Moana. I chose the movie Moana because it clearly depicts intercultural communication conflicts, power relationship, and the process of cultural adaptation in an easily understandable context. In this presentation, I will discuss three main parts: the analysis of culture and intercultural communication in the movie Moana, the identification of issues that arise during Moana's journey, and the solution offered to overcome these communication barriers. Polynesian culture places a strong emphasis on collectivism, where the interests of the community are prioritized over individual interests. The society also uses high-contact communication, so messages are often conveyed directly through social contact, gesture, and tradition. This cultural pattern shapes the overall way the people of Motunui think and communicate. Moana is the daughter of the village chief who is accustomed to social responsibility and direct communication. Meanwhile, Maui is a demigod with a high position of power, dominant and full of self-pride. This difference in background and status create a power imbalance and cultural clash from their first interaction. Cross-cultural clashes can occur due to culture shock, miscommunication, and power imbalance. Through adapting host status values and applying circles of English, Moana and Maui gradually develop mutual understanding and more effective collaboration. A verbal clash occurred because Moana used direct, to-the-point communication, while Maui employed a high-context style full of stories and implied meanings. This difference triggered miscommunication at the beginning of their journey. Differences in nonverbal cues can also worsen miscommunication. Maui used big and expressive gesture, while Moana is more subtle and calm, which includes the use of eye contact. This gap can also create a nonverbal culture gap. Gender stereotypes in Polynesian culture are reflected in the belief that a woman should not shave. However, Moana challenges this norm, which then sparked conflict with the village authorities and tradition. A culture with high power distance is evident in the relationship between Chief Tui and Moana. Chief Tui's authority is absolute and his communication is one way, so Moana has to challenge that hierarchy in order to continue her mission. Moana is in the process of negotiating her identity between her roles as the chief daughter who must adhere to tradition and the call of her ancestor as a wayfinder. This identity conflict shaped Moana's decision to leave her comfort zone and determine her own sense of self. When leaving Motunui, Moana experienced culture shock marked by anxiety and confusion. The unfamiliar environment as the storm and uncertainty made Moana scared and had difficulty adapting at the beginning of the journey. The difference in communication style between the sarcastic Maui and the serious, sincere Moana leads to miscommunication. These misunderstandings spark conflict and early jeopardizes their cooperation in carrying out the mission. The power imbalance between Chief Tui and Moana created serious conflict. The ban on sailing and the one-sided communication triggered Moana's act of resistance. This situation damaged trust within the family and forced Moana to start her journey without initial support. The impact of communication failure and intercultural conflict is illustrated through the famine in Motunui dying crops and the slowly dying island. This situation shows that cultural conflict affects not only individuals but also the sustainability of the community and the environment. There are three main issues that hinder the success of Moana's intercultural interaction, namely culture shock, miscommunication, and power imbalance. These three factors are interconnected and exacerbate conflict at the beginning of Moana's journey. Through the concept of circle of English, Moana began learning about the language, style, and slang used by Maui. This adaptation process reduced verbal barriers and improved mutual understanding in their communication. Understanding how status cultural dimension helps reduce power distance by balancing authority and collectivism. Conflict between leaders and individuals can be minimized from the start. The use of Polynesian ancestral storytelling tradition plays an important role in building cross-cultural empathy. Ancestral stories help characters to understand each other's perspective, challenge stereotypes, and strengthen identity negotiation in a positive way. The solution is implemented through pre-voyage workshop on language and culture, as well as role-playing exercise between Moana and Maui. This approach and change teamwork improves communication and support the success of the mission to restore the Fiti. Through the analysis of the film Moana, it can be concluded that the success of intercultural interaction highly deepens in cultural understanding and communication adaptation and empathy. By applying intercultural communication theories, conflict can be resolved and collaboration can be achieved. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.